Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Gems. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for latest running video. So guys, let's start our today's video without delay. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform, which platform you can earn huge income, and to site link in my video description. You can click there, open the browser, it will bring into this interface. As you can see, the site name is ChargePoint, and I will show you how to create an account in this platform. So without this, watch my full video. First of all, you need to register account in this platform. Simply input your email address, put your password. After complete the all details, simply click the sign up button and your account ready for sign in. My account already ready, so I put my details. After I put my details, simply click the sign in option, and when my account fulfill sign in, and I will show you the every details in this platform. You can see the site all details available in here, so simply you can read the site details available. So you can see the minimum deposit are 7 USDT and minimum withdrawal 2.1 USDT. If you deposit 7 USDT, you can earn regular 2.1 USDT, and this is too much income. You can see that, and you can see there are many kind of VIP available, VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, and many kind of VIP available. You can see the VIP 2 25 USDT. If you deposit 25 USDT, you can earn regular 7.3 USDT easily. After you read the all details, simply click the I know button. You can see the site interface, simply click the me section, and I will show you how to register in this platform. So simply click the recharge option. You can see that there are 4 methods available for deposit: TRC20, TRS, BEP20, and BNB. Simply click the TRC20 USDT. After you click the TRC20 USDT, simply copy the address, go to the wallet, paste the address, and select network TRC20, and put the amount, how much amount your interest for deposit. And after the complete all details, simply click the withdraw button. When you withdraw successfully done, come here and click the recharge completed button. After you click the recharge completed button, simply click the back icon. Again back icon, you can see that my balance are already added in my fund. So I will show you how to complete your tax and withdraw your money. So simply click the tax option. You can see the one tax available in my account. So simply click the to complete option. You can see that the tax is loading. After the loading full will complete, I will show you everything. You can see that the loading is processing, and the processing is also complete. You can see the my tax are fulfilled complete. So simply click the me section, and you can see that my assets are 1.10, and I will show you how to withdraw your money in euros. So simply click the withdraw option, put your amount, and after you put your amount, go to the your wallet. I go to my wallet, select add funds, deposit, crypto, choose TRC20 network, tornado, and copy the address. Go to the your wallet and paste your address. After you paste your address, put your password. After when you put your password, simply click the confirm button, and you can see the confirm button is loading, and you can see that my withdrawal successfully is done. And I click the back icon, and I will show you I will receive or not in my fund. So simply I go to my wallet. I go to my wallet, and after I go to the wallet, I will show you I receive or not. Simply watch my video. So you can see that I receive my withdrawal. Just wait a minute. You can see I received my withdrawal 2.1 USDT, and this is withdrawal too much further. You can see that. I'll show you my withdrawal payment proof. Simply click the home section. You can see the home section. You can simply click the VIP section. You can see that there are many kind of VIP available. VIP 0 are the free income. If you want to earn free income, you can choose that VIP. But I will recommend the VIP 1 is the better option. So simply you can see there are VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, and almost there are VIP 9 available. So you can choose your personal VIP, which VIP you are invested for interest. So simply clicking the home icon, you can see the there are many kind of languages available in English, Bangla, Portugal, Italian, France, Italian. Many kind of languages available. You can choose your personal language, which language you are comfortable for users. So simply click the Google icon. You can see that there is a team section, and you can see that there is still level for team commission. Level 1 13%, level 2 4%, level 1 1%. You can see that there is commission and too much use income, and simply copy that share link, and you don't miss the sharing your referral link. So you can share your referral link and earn more income by the sharing. After you complete all details, you can see the sign interface, and you can face any kind of problem. If you face any kind of problem, simply contact the customer service. You can see the customer service contact details in available here. So contact the customer service, solve your problem. So guys, I did not force anyone deposit here. This is your own choice and your own risk. So until today's video, see you next another running video.